To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. What am I? I am an insect. I can fly. I like flowers. I am black and yellow. Bee. I am a bee. I am an animal. I can hop. I have long ears. I like carrots. Rabbit. I am a rabbit. I am in the bathroom. I have bristles. I can clean teeth. Toothbrush. I am a toothbrush. I am a fruit. I am yellow. I am sour. Lemon. I am a lemon. I am round. You can throw me. You can catch me. You can kick me. Ball. I am a ball. I don't have legs. I don't have hair. I live in water. I can swim. Fish. I am a fish. I am a fruit. I am red. I am small. I have seeds on the outside. Strawberry. I am a strawberry. I have 4 wheels. You can sit in me. You can drive me. Car. I am a car. I am an animal. I have 4 legs. I can change color. Iguana. I am an iguana. I fall from the sky. I am cold. I am white. Snow. I am snow. I am in your bedroom. I am big. You use me at night. You can sleep on me. Bed. I am a bed. I grow on trees. I am red or green. I have seeds inside. Apple. I am an apple. I am in the living room. I have arms. I am comfy to sit on. Sofa. I am a sofa. I am on the wall. I have 2 arms. I can tell the time. Clock. I am a clock. I am in the kitchen. I am filled with water. I can boil water. Kettle. I am a kettle. I come in pairs. I cover hands. I keep hands warm. Gloves. I am gloves.